Welcome back. Guys, abandoned carts is a big problem for every online business owner. So, if you are using Knorish to sell your courses and you're struggling to recover your abandoned carts, then this video is for you. Here I'm going to show you how you can send a WhatsApp message automatically to the customer who have just abandoned your course cart on Knorish. So guys, by integrating Knorish with Interakt application, you can send automated WhatsApp messages to the customers to recover the abandoned carts. And to set up this automation, you need not to have any coding skills or programming knowledge. We can set up just by a few clicks. So without any further ado, let's begin. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that, you just have to sign in and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, guys, click on this create workflow button, and here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, here I have given this name. Now you can click on this create button and the workflow page will start loading up like this. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of the automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a cart abandoned on Knorish is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to send a WhatsApp message to the customer so that we can recover that abandonment cart. Okay, so here when you click on this trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose Knorish. Okay, and here in the trigger event, you have to select cart abandonment, this one, course abandonment cart. We have this bundle abandoned cart option as well. So if you're selling a bundle of courses, you can use this. If you're selling courses single, you can use this. I am selecting course abandoned cart option, and here you can see we have received this webhook URL. So on this URL, we are going to receive the data of a cart getting abandoned on Knorish. Okay, and to get the data on this URL, you need to add this webhook URL inside the settings of Knorish application. So you can read the instructions. Let me show you how you can actually do this. So guys, this is my Knorish application, and here I am selling these courses. So here you can see this is the course I want to we are setting up this automation for this particular course, fundamentals of yoga. Okay, so for this to happen, guys, you will find this settings option right here on the left hand side panel, and under settings, let me just show you, you will find this integrations option. Click on integrations. All right, and under integrations page, you will find this Pabbly Connect option right here. Click on Pabbly Connect, and here when you scroll down, guys, you will find this course abandoned cart option. Okay, so under this course abandoned cart, you have to paste the webhook URL like this. And for that to happen, let me just erase this previous URL and let me copy this URL that I got in the workflow. And here you can see, as we have copied the URL, it started waiting for the response of this connection. Okay, so let me just paste this URL here like this. Okay, now you can click on test and save, and some test data will be sent to the workflow here, and it will be captured here in the response section. Let me show you. Here I'm clicking on test and save. You can see the request processed successfully. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we receive the test data, and here you can see we have received the test data. So guys, in real time, whenever someone is going to abandon our course cart, this is how we are going to receive the data here. We are going to receive the username of the student or the customer. The user ID is going to be received here. The phone number will receive here. Email address, course name, and course ID. These are all the things that we are going to receive whenever someone is going to abandon our cart. Okay, now guys, to get a real data, what you can do, you can just click on this recapture webhook response button, and I am going to manually and deliberately abandon a cart from our course page. So let me open the courses, and this is fundamentals of yoga. Let me open the course selling page. Okay, so I'm going to open this in a new incognito window in this course, and I'm going to manually abandon the cart, and it will not instantly capture the data because in Knorish application settings there is a option, there is a setting that Nourish waits for a few minutes to see if customer himself or herself is getting back to the course and purchases it, because sometimes customers do not abandon, they just delay the purchase for any reason. Okay, so it is going to wait for 10 minutes minimum to get the data, and after 10 minutes it is going to get the data. Okay, so in within 10 minutes, if the customer doesn't purchases again, the data, their workflow is going to trigger and capture the data. So first of all, let me click on recapture button here and click on yes option, and here you can see started waiting for the response again. And let me open the course page now. So guys, I have opened the courses page here in a new incognito window, and here I'm clicking on enroll now option, and here it will ask you to fill in the details of any test customer. So I'm giving the name of the purchaser as test student. Here let me just fill in the email address. So I'm using some random or test data, this is not a real data. And here you can fill any WhatsApp number. And here I'm clicking on submit and pay now option. All right, so these are the payments option available. Here I'm going to select this card option. Here you can fill in the test card details. This is not original card. And let's say for any reason this customer chooses to close this window and he do not want to purchase this time. Okay, so here I'm going to close this whole window so that this purchase stands abandoned. Okay, and then we are going to wait for 10 minutes to receive the data on our triggers response. Okay, so I'm closing this window here, right? And we are going to wait for 10 minutes now so that the data can arrive here. So guys, you can see I have received the response, and here you can see the details of the person who have abandoned our cart, and these details are same test student. These are the same that I have filled. Okay, and it got captured here after 10 minutes. Now guys, I want to send a message on WhatsApp to this person telling him that you have left your cart in between your purchase, so please complete your purchase. Okay, for that to happen, I'm going to use this action window, and here I'm going to connect with Interact application, which is a business API provider of WhatsApp. So use the action event here, send WhatsApp template message, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to provide the secret API key of Interact account. You will get this key from the developer settings of Interact. Let me show you that. This is my Interact application, guys, and this is a message template I have here. And here you can see we have this conversation.ai option. Click on it. Here you will find this developer settings. Click on developer settings, and here is the secret key. You just have to copy it and paste it here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Interact account. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it started asking to provide the country code, the phone number of the recipient, and the full phone number. So guys, you can see you have to mention the phone number of the recipient in this format with a plus sign and a country code. Okay, so I'm going to map the phone number from the previous step. Here you can see we have received the phone number from Knorish in this phone label. So I'm going to map this phone number label here in this full phone number field. So you just have to click here on this field, and the previous trigger step will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So just click on the phone label and it will be mapped. Okay, and then it will ask you to send the template's code name. So guys, for sending messages on WhatsApp via Interact application and this workflow, you need to create message templates beforehand in Interact application. So guys, templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you need to create here beforehand in Interact application and get them approved to send messages via templates. So guys, I have already created a template here inside Interact for this purpose. But you can also create a new template by clicking on this create new button, and here's how the template page will open up. Here you can provide a template name, you can choose a category, then you can choose a language, then click on submit, and after that you can type the whole message. Let me show you. Here you can see guys, in the message template you can send a header text, and in that header you can send an image, video, or a document as well. And here I have written this template, your cart is waiting. Okay, and in the body you can see I have written this message, dear, you left your card in the middle, click the link in the below CTA to continue shopping. Okay, this is how you can type a message. And here you can see after dear I have placed this placeholder 1 in double curly braces. You need to place these placeholders or body variables so that we can change some values in every message we are sending automatically. Okay, here guys I want to place the name of customer, so that is going to change with every new message. So you need to place here these placeholders or variables strategically to get some data change with every new message. Okay, that's why it is necessary to create these templates here. And here I have added a call to action button as well. It provides you this facility to create a CTA button inside the message. And here you can see I have written visit website. This will go on the button. Okay, and the button text will be go to order. This is the dynamic URL. Here you can place the link of the page of your checkout page so that people can be redirected via this button and complete the purchase. Right now guys, here it is asking to place the template code name. So when you open your template like this, in the top URL after this template slash and before this slash view words, you will find the template code name. Here is my template code, abandoned underscore checkout. So I'm going to just copy this code and I'm going to place it here like this. Then it will ask for the language code. So the code for English language is EN. For US English, it will become EN underscore US. You can see this is in English language only. So I have put EN here. Here it is asking for the header value. So header is already created. No need to change it. Okay, now it will ask for the body variable values. So here you have to place the value of these variables that you have in your message template. So I have only one variable. If you have 2 or 3 variables, you can put the values of these variables here in comma separated form. Right now I just have one, and that is for the name of the customer. So I'm going to map the name from the trigger step. Okay, like this. Then it will ask you to position your call to action button. So here you can see you can put 1 or a 0 here. So if it's the first button, choose 0. If it's the second button, choose 1. So I have only one button, so I'm going to choose 0. Okay. Here you can place the variable and dynamic URL. So if you have a dynamic URL in your CTA button, you can place the link of the variable, the link of your page here. So I'm going to just open my Knorish account and I'm going to copy the course page link. Let me open the course page. And I'm going to place this link here in this variable field like this. Okay. Now you can test your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request button, and this message will be delivered on this number that you have placed here. So guys, this is the response we have received. You can see we have received this message here. Message is queued for sending via Interact. Okay. So message is in the queue and it will be sent on WhatsApp automatically. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, guys, it is going to trigger automatically whenever someone abandons your cart, and a WhatsApp message will be delivered, which will be according to the template that you have created in Interact. And the customer is going to receive this kind of message. Dear user, you left your cart in the middle. please click the link below in the CTA for continuous shopping. Okay, and the customer can purchase the product afterwards according to his or her convenience, and you can recover your cart abandonment. So guys, I'm going to place the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.